English essays. SPM argumentative essays. English essays. SPM argumentative essays. Mobile phones are a nuisance. Do you agree? Mobile phones are a nuisance. Do you agree? Mobile phones have revolutionized the world. Mobile phones make communication easy and efficient. With the growing use of them, both in businesses and in homes, this technology has become necessary. Without doubt, mobile phones offer many advantages such as added convenience, greater personal security and increased communication. However, a mobile phone does have its share of disadvantages. Mobile phones are an excellent way to remain in touch and summon help, especially in the event of an emergency. In critical points in times, people with mobile phones can reach help more easily and faster than those without mobile phones. For examples, victims of an earthquake can use their mobile phones to call rescuers to tell them their location. Here, mobile phones can save life. Another reason why it is good to have a mobile phone is that it keeps children only a phone call away. Teenagers can check with their parents to let them know that they are okay or that they need assistance. In addition, mobile phones provide convenience. You can now search the web, check email, watch television, or take pictures with mobile phones. Although mobile phones offer many advantages, there are some disadvantages and risks when using mobile phones. One of the more obvious risks is talking and driving. Mobile phones usage can make drivers less aware of their surroundings. As a result, drivers are slower to react to potential dangers. Accident can easily happen in seconds. Another disadvantage of mobile phone usage is the possibility of health risks. Many people still place their mobile phone close to their head, and this can cause damage to their head and body. Mobile phone usage has been associated with a number of illnesses. Signals from devices can actually disrupt parts of the brain involving memory and learning. Other studies have shown that mobile phones cause a rise in blood pressure and brain cancer. Some other disadvantages of mobile phones are more of a nuisance. People are heard speaking loudly in restaurants, libraries, and theaters. They do not care of other people who want peace, quiet, and are not interested in their private conversation. There are students who play games or send SMS with their mobile phones. They do not pay attention to what the teacher is teaching. Here, mobile phones disrupt the attention of the students. Mobile phones have brought new freedom, increased security, and peace of mind. People feel safer having a mobile phone. In addition, mobile phones offer convenience and ease communication. However, with many safety risks and the risk of an impolite world, many people are questioning the value of mobile phones.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.